Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter 2-dimensional coordinate geometry. In last class we discussed the division formula or section formula, area of the triangle, etc. Today we are going to discuss some more problems related to the section formula. Then after completion, that is what is centroid, what is orthocenter, what is circumcenter, etc. So now that is coordinate 2-dimensional 2D coordinate geometry. 2D coordinate geometry. So one question, find the ratio that x-axis divides the line segment joining the points x1 y1 and x2 y2 in the ratio x2 y2. Find the ratio that x-axis divide the line segment joining the points x1 y1 and x2 y2, and also find the point of division. This is the question. Now solution is what? Solution, suppose this is x-axis, this is x-axis, and the point is what? This is A of x1 y1 and this is B of x2 y2. This is x-axis. Suppose any point, we know any point on x-axis, what? X comma 0. Suppose this ratio will be what? Let this ratio, suppose this is point P, let this part is equal to M and this part is equal to what? N. This part equal to N. Suppose this is N. Now let x-axis divides AB, the line segment AB at the point P of x comma 0, because any point on x-axis is x comma 0. Now let x-axis divide the line segment AB at the point P of x comma y in the ratio m is to n. Now coordinate of P, x coordinate is given x and y coordinate, we know y coordinate equal to what? M into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. Okay, so this is what? Y coordinate 0 here, that implies 0 is equal to, this is m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. Now this is equal to what? M y2 plus n y1 is equal to 0. That implies m y2 is equal to minus n y1. So m by n is equal to minus y1 by y2. Therefore the ratio is what? Therefore ratio is equal to minus y1 is to y2. Minus y1 is to y2. Now the point of division. We know y coordinate is 0 here. Now the point of division. The point of division, that is x is equal to, now x is equal to m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. This is x coordinate. So that implies x is equal to, what is the ratio this is m by n is equal to, that is minus y1 into y2 plus n into n is what, y2 plus what, that is y1 into y2 divided by m plus n, that is minus y1 plus y2. So this is equal to what? This is equal to, x is equal to y1 y2 minus what, that is y1 y2, this is m means what, m is equal to here y minus y1 and this is y2, n equal to what, n equal to here n is equal to y2, this is y2 into y1. So this will be y1 y2, this is y1 and y2. Now this is m by n equal to, we put that is y1 by y2. So x is equal to m y2, m means what, minus y1, or find, we can derive this is equal to what, or that is what, find here m by n is equal to minus y1 by y2 and convert this into in terms of m by n, convert this in terms of m by n. So divide numerator and denominator by what, n. So x is equal to m by n y2 plus n by n by 1 by n divided by m by n plus what, n by n, divide kali n re. So this cancel here. So x is equal to m by n means what, m by n equal to minus y1 by y2 into y2 plus y1 divide by here n and cancel 1 here, m by n equal to what, minus y1 by y2 plus 1. Now x is equal to what, minus y1, so this is y1 by y2 into y2 here. So this is this goes cancel, this is y1 by m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n, that is m y2 minus n1, m by n is equal to y1 by y2. So this is the formula is x is equal to, this is wrong because we find the which coordinate, x coordinate, we find x coordinate. So x is equal to what, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, this is the question, this is x coordinate, okay, not y coordinate. So find x coordinate. So m by n is equal to what, that is m by n equal to minus y1 is to y2. So x is equal to, m means what, minus y1. So here put minus y1 into x2 plus n means what, y2 into, sorry, this is x1, again repeat here, that is n into n means what, n means m by n means y2 into x1 divided by m means what, minus y1, n means what, y2. So x is equal to, x1 y2, write first this term first, then second minus x2 y1 divided by what, y2 minus y1, this is x coordinate. Now the point of division is equal to what, x1 y2 minus x2 y1 divided by what, divide by y2 minus y1 comma this is 0, this is the point of division, okay. Now question number 2 find the ratio that y-axis divide the line segment joining the this is question number 2. Same process you have to follow this. This is what? This is and this is for y-axis solution. Same process. Suppose this is y-axis and the line joining is what? A of x1 y1 and this is b of x2 y2. Suppose this is point P and this is M and this is N. Suppose now any point P point is what? Any point on y-axis, that is equal to what? Any point this 0 comma y. We know x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So what is x here? X is equal to 0, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. That implies mx2 plus nx1 is equal to 0. That implies mx2 is equal to minus nx1 minus nx1. So this is m by n is equal to what? M by n equal to minus x1 by x2. Therefore ratio is equal to, that implies ratio is equal to minus x1 is to x2. Now the point of division. Now for point of division, what happens here? That is y coordinate. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So y is equal to m means what? Minus x1 into y2, n means what? x2 into y1 divided by, that is minus x1 plus x2. So this is equal to what? This is equal to, that is y is equal to x2 minus write first this term x2 x2 y minus y x1 y2 x2 y1 minus x1 y2 divided by x2 minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So the point of division, therefore the point of division is equal to what? The point of division equal to 0 comma x2 y1 minus y1 minus x1 x2 y1 minus x1 y2 divided by x2 minus x1. This x2 minus x1. This is the point of division. If for short question we will apply direct the formula. Ratio is minus x1 x2 and the point is 0 comma x2. Use this formula. Shortcut. The line segments joining the points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is divided by x-axis in the ratio minus y1 is to y2, and at the point x1 y2 minus x2 y1 divided by y2 minus y1 comma 0, and first bit. Second bit, by y-axis in the ratio minus x1 is to x2 at the point 0 comma x2 minus x2 y1 minus x1 y2 divide by x2 minus x1. This is shortcut formula. Now what is centroid of the triangle? Now centroid of the triangle. So what do you mean by centroid of the triangle? Centroid of the triangle means the point of intersection of medians of triangle is called centroid of the triangle. Now centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle. Suppose this is a triangle A, B, and this is C. Suppose this is midpoint D. This is one median, and another midpoint here. This is another median, and this is also another midpoint here. This is another median. This point, the point of intersection is called centroid. This point is called centroid. So what do you mean by centroid? The point of intersection of the point of intersection of medians. The point of intersection of median of a triangle is called the centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle, and denoted by G, generally denoted by G. This is point G, and the ratio is what? This ratio is equal to 2:1. This ratio is equal to what? 2:1. This ratio is equal to 2, and this is 1. Now one formula, that is, if vertices of a triangle are given, how to find the centroid of the triangle. Now theorem, if vertices of triangle are given, then how to find the centroid of the triangle. If x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 are this is, if x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3 are the vertices of a triangle, then how to find the formula for find the centroid of the triangle. Okay, so centroid theorem, that is theorem, the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3 is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Now proof of this theorem. Proof. Suppose this is triangle ABC, and this is midpoint D. Suppose this is midpoint D, and this is midpoint E, and this is midpoint F. This is one median, this is another median, and this is another median. This is centroid G. Let let ABC be a triangle with vertices whose vertices are x1 y1 x2 y2, that is a of x1 y1, and this is b of x2 y2, and this is c of x3 y3. Now let DEF are the medians. Let DEF are the midpoints. Are the midpoints. Midpoints of midpoints of midpoints of sides BC, AC, and FB respectively. Now coordinate of what? Now coordinate of D. Coordinates of D, that is D coordinate. This is what? This point is x1 y1, this point is x2 y2, and this point is C coordinate is what? C is equal to x3 y3. Now coordinates of D is equal to what? That is x2 plus x1 by x2 plus x3 by what? By 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. Okay. Coordinate of E coordinate that is x1 plus x3 by 2, y1 plus y3 by 2. Coordinate of F, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, and this is y1 plus DEF are the midpoints. So coordinate of the midpoints of the side BC, AC, AB respectively. Coordinate of D points means what? This point. So this x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2, and midpoint E, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by that is x1 plus x3 by 2, y1 plus y3 by 2. Now for coordinate F, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. These are the midpoints. Now consider the median AD. Consider the median AD. G divides AD. G divides, that is centroid, divides AD in the ratio 2:1. Now coordinate of G. Now coordinate of G, that is x coordinate, is equal to what? This point is x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. Now this is 2 and this is 1. So x coordinate equal 2 into x2 plus x3 divided by 2 into x2 plus, that is divided by 2, plus 1 into x1. This is x1 y1. Okay, x1 y1. So this is x1 divided by 2 plus 1. Similarly, now y comma 2 into y2 plus y3 divided by 2 plus 1 into y1 divided by 2 plus 1. So 2 to cancel here 2 to cancel. Now this is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. This is centered of G. Similarly, taking other medians, other two medians, we can find the centroid. We can find the centroid of the triangle. Now this is formula to find the centroid of the triangle. one question related to centroid. If two vertices of a triangle are, suppose this is 0 comma minus 4 and this is suppose 0 comma 6 comma 0, and the centroid, the median meets at the point, means what? The centroid, this is median and this is another median, this point is 2 comma 0, and let this is what? X comma y, suppose C. Okay, given according to question from figure, that is centroid is equal to what? Centroid is equal to x1 plus x2. Centroid is equal to what? x1 plus x2. Centroid is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So this is x1, this is y1, x2, y2, and this is x3, y3 suppose. So that is 0. Centroid means what? 2 comma 0 is equal to 0 plus 6 plus x by 3, and this is what? This is y1 minus 4 comma 0 plus y by 3. Now this is equal to that is x comma 2 comma 0 equal to what? 2 comma 0, that implies 2 comma 0 is equal to 6 plus x by 3, and y minus, this is y minus 4 by 3. Now that is what? 6 plus x by 3 is equal to 2, 6 plus x is equal to 6, and x is equal to 0. Now y minus 4 by 3 is equal to 0, and y minus 4 is equal to 0, y equal to 4. So centroid is equal third vertex is equal to 0 comma 4. Now using shortcut method, if 2 point shortcut method. Now let's discuss about this is what is third vertex? 0 comma 4. Now by shortcut method, that is what? Shortcut method is, if x1 y1 and x2 y2 are two vertices of triangle. Shortcut method. Now by shortcut method, suppose shortcut method, suppose this is the triangle ABC, that is x1 y1, and this is another point x2 y2, and this is suppose C is equal to h comma k. This is G suppose this is x3 y3. These two are given, this is given, and this is given, and this is given. G is also given. Suppose G is h comma k. Now third vertex, that is x3 y3 is equal to, formula is 3h minus of x1 plus x2 comma 3k minus y1 plus y2. This is shortcut formula. So according to this, using this formula, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So third vertex is equal to 3 into h, and h means what? This is h and this is k. So h 3h, 3 into h, 3 into 2 minus x1 plus x2 minus x1 plus x2, 0 plus 6 comma 3k, 3 into 0 minus y1 plus y2. y1 plus y2 means minus 4 plus 0, So this is what 6 minus 6 0, and this is 0 minus of minus 0 comma 4. This is by shortcut formula. Okay, now another question. Question is what? In a triangle, one of the vertex is at 2 comma 5. Solution. In a triangle, one of the vertex is at 2 comma 5. Suppose A of 2 comma 5, and this is B and this is C, and the centroid is at what? Minus 1 comma 1. Find the midpoint, that is D. D is find the coordinate D. Suppose this is alpha comma beta or h comma k. H comma k, suppose this is point G. G divides AD in the ratio what? 2:1. What is the question? In a triangle, one of the vertex is at 2 comma 5, centered minus 1 comma 1. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the side opposite to the given angular point. Here A is an angular point, its opposite side BC. We have to find the midpoint of BC. So this is AD's median. G divides AD in the ratio 2:1. This is 2 and this is 1. By central formula, that is by division formula, that is 2 into H plus 1 into 2. 1 into 2 divided by what? 2 plus 1 comma 2 into K plus 1 into 5. 1 into 5 by 2 plus 1 is equal to what is the centroid? That is minus comma 1 comma 1. Now 2h plus 2 divided by 3. Now 2h plus 2 divided by 3 comma 2k plus 5 divided by 3 is equal to what? Is equal to minus 1 comma 1. So 2h by 2 by 3 is equal to minus 1. 2h plus 2 is equal to minus 3, or 2h is equal to what? Minus 5, and h is equal to what? H is equal to, that is h is equal to minus 5 by 2. Similarly, this is what? This is what? 2k plus 5 by 3 is equal to 1. 2k plus 5 is equal to 3, and 2k is equal to what? 2k is equal to minus 2. So k is equal to minus 1. So the point is minus 5 by 2 comma minus 1. Note, suppose this is triangle ABC, ABC, DEF are the midpoints. This is equal to this, this is equal to this, and this is equal to this are midpoints. Then centered of the triangle DEF is equal to centered of the triangle ABC. So centered of the triangle formed by the midpoints of the triangle. The midpoints of a triangle is equal to the centroid of the triangle is equal to the centroid of given triangle. Centroid of given triangle. So another shortcut. shortcut. If midpoints of triangle ABC, midpoints of triangle ABC are DEF are given midpoints of the sides of the triangle. So this is midpoints. This is if midpoints of sides of triangle ABC are DEF are given, then vertex A is equal to, suppose this is the triangle A, B, C, and this is D, and this is E, and this is F. This is equal to this, this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. Now vertex A is equal to formula, vertex A is equal to, vertex A equal F plus E plus F, that is E sum of two linked points, that is E plus F minus opposite point D. Vertex B is equal to D plus F linked point minus opposite, and vertex C is equal to linked point, that is D plus E minus opposite F. This is the relation how to find the vertices of triangle if midpoints of the sides are given. Okay. Now one question. This is question. Find the coordinates of the vertices of triangle whose sides have midpoints 2, 1, minus 1, 3, and minus 2, 5. Solution by shortcut formula. Suppose this is A, whose point is, that is 2, 1, and this is B, minus 1, 3, and this is C. This is not to find vertex, to find this point, and to find this point. Given that midpoints, suppose D 2, 1, suppose this is E minus 1, 3, and suppose this is F minus 2, 5. Now coordinate A is equal to what? F plus E minus D. So this is F means what? Minus 2, 5 plus minus 1, 3 minus what? 2, 1. Now calculate this. This is called minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, and minus 2. That is minus 5, minus 5. This is minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5. And 5 plus 3, that is 8, minus 1, that is 7. So coordinate of A is equal to minus 5, 7. Now coordinate of B is equal to, here B, D plus F minus E. D plus F minus E, that is D means what? 2, 1 plus minus 2, 5 minus 1, 3. So 2 minus 2 plus 2 cancel, and minus of minus 1, this is 1 plus 5, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3, this is 1, 3. Now the point vertex C is equal to what? Vertex C is equal to C point, that is D plus E minus what? D plus E minus F, that is D means what? 2, 1 plus minus 1, 3, and minus F means what? Minus 2, 5. D means what? 2, 1. E means what? Minus 1, 3, and F means what? Minus, so 2 minus 1, 1 plus 2, this is 2 minus 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 4 minus 5, 1 plus 3, 4 minus 5, that is minus 1. This is point C. These are the vertices. Now in center of the triangle. What is in center? Suppose this is triangle A, B, C. Angle ro internal angle ro bisector. ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ angle bisector equal part କରିବୁ. ये गोटे एंगल बाइसेक्टर ए एंगल को इक्वल करिवो ए एंगल को इक्वल करिवो. ये जो पॉइंट आसला ये हूँ इन सेंटर. ए पॉइंट कौन कहूँ इन सेंटर. तो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ इंटरनल बाइसेक्टर एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. द पॉइंट ऑफ intersection of the bisectors of internal angles of a triangle is called in center of the triangle. Now how to find formula for find in center of the triangle. In center of the triangle formula to find in center of the triangle. Suppose this is A of x1 and y1, and this is B of x2 y2, and this is C of x3 y3. Now in center is equal to, suppose this length is BC length, let BC length is equal to A. This is A and this is B, and this is SC length is equal to B, FB length is equal to C. Now in center is equal to formula, in center is equal to, that is what, A x1, this is x1, plus B what, A x1 plus B x2 plus C x3 by A plus B plus C and comma A into y1 plus B into y2 plus C into y3 divided by A plus B plus C. This is formula to find the in center of the triangle. Now one question related to the in center of the triangle. Now find the in center of the triangle whose vertices are. These are the vertices. So this is let A of 3 comma minus 36, B of 7 comma 20, and C of minus 8 comma 0. This is x1 y1 x2 y2, and this is x3 y3. Now small a is equal to what? Now small is the side BC. Small a is equal to what? This is the point is what? 7 comma minus 36. This point is 7 comma minus 36. This point is. So A distance is equal to A equal to BC distance. So this is BC distance means what? BC distance. So 8 minus 7 whole square, that is 0 minus 20 whole square root over, and calculate this is equal to what? 15 square 225, and this is 400 root over. This is equal to what? 25. So this is 25. Now B is equal to what? B. This is A and this is B. B is equal to SC distance. So SC distance of BC, distance of AC, that is what? SC distance minus 8 minus 7 whole square, and this is 0 minus, that is 0 plus 36 whole square, squaring rules. That is calculate this, calculating and final calculate this is will be what? This will be 39. Calculate this, and this is what? FB. C is equal to what? C is equal to AB distance. AB distance, that is 7 minus 7 0 square plus what 20 plus 36 whole square, which is equal to what 50. Calculate this will be what 56. Now apply the centered formula. Centered of the triangle, that is centered of the triangle is what? Centered of the triangle is equal to a into x1 plus b into x2 c into x3 divided by a plus b plus c, a into y1 plus b into y2 plus c into y3 divided by a plus b plus c. A means what? A is equal to 25, x1 is equal to 7 plus b means what 39, x2 is equal to 7 plus c means what? C means 56 into x3 means minus 8 divided by a plus b plus c, that is 25 plus 39 plus 56 comma a into, that is 25 into y1 means what minus 36 into minus 36 plus b means what? B is equal to 39 into y2, 39 into 20 y2 plus c means what 56 into y3, this is 0 divided by 25 plus 39 plus 56. Calculate this is equal to what 0. Calculate this, and this is what minus 1. Calculate this factor and this factor. Okay, this factor, this is minus 1 and this is 0. Calculate. Now what, this is centered. Now what is circumcenter and what is orthocenter? What is circumcenter? This is triangle and this is A and this is B. This is perpendicular bisectors of the sides. This is another perpendicular bisector of the sides. This 9 degree, this 9 degree, and these are equal. Okay, these are equal. And this is another perpendicular bisector of the side. So this is called circumcenter. And this circle, that is what? Join this and draw the circle. This is circumcenter. Okay, this is circumcenter. So the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisectors of the sides, the perpendicular bisectors of sides of the triangle is called circumcenter. What is the property of circumcenter? Suppose this is the triangle property, this is property, this is triangle. Suppose here this is, suppose the triangle is what? A, B, C. Suppose P is the circumcenter. Suppose P is the circumcenter. And what is, how to find the point P? To find circumcenter P, use the property AP distance is equal to BP distance is equal to what? CP distance due to radius. These three are equal. Equating this distance, find value of xy, find an equation xy, and equating this 8 equation equating kale xy gote relation asibo. 8 equating kale xy gote relation, the equation solve kale xy bahale, set house circumcenter. Now what is orthocenter? the point of intersection of altitudes. What is orthocenter? Orthocenter. Now the point of intersection of, that is orthocenter. 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 The point of intersection of the altitudes of a triangle is called orthocenter. एटा गोटे ट्रायंगल अच्छी एबीसी, एटी गोटे परपेंडिकुलर ड्रा करिवो, एटी गोटे परपेंडिकुलर ड्रा करिवो, एटी गोटे परपेंडिकुलर ड्रा करिवो, जोठी इंटरसेक्शन कला दैट इज orthocenter. These are the concept regarding the centroid, circumcenter, incenter, orthocenter. Okay, next video we will discuss some questions related to orthocenter and what is circumcenter. Thank you. Have a nice day.